Hello and welcome back to the Manifest Your Success series. Today we are going to talk about your visualization. Can you visualize? Visualization is actually everything. Everything that now exists was once imagined, and everything that will ever exist must first be imagined, said Dr. Wayne Dyer, a well-known motivational speaker and self-developed and author of Wishes Fulfil, Mastering the Art of Manifestation. Following his concept, a future outcome is brought about by something that has been contemplated in the past. If you talk about success, then this could refer to a present term brought about to a mental image in the past. If imagining the desired outcome can lead us to achieve our dream, then Albert Einstein is right when he said, imagination is more important than knowledge. If you work at the lives of very successful individuals, you will see that they started with very detailed mental images and a strong feeling about dreams they delivered can be possible. This process is called visioning. It is about convincing victory before it happened. Several sports legends have been in the habit of visualization. The legendary boxer Muhammad Ali referred to visualization as future history. To him, the man with no imagination has no wings. He further explains, champions are made from something they have deep inside them: a desire, a dream, a vision. They have to have a skill, and they will, but the will must be stronger than the skill. Jack Nicklaus, one of the greatest golfers of all time, had this to say about visioning: I never hit a shot, not even a practice, without having a very sharp in focus picture of it in my head. Michael Jordan, arguably the greatest basketball player, always imagined himself taking the last shot in his mind even before doing it. He said, every time I feel tired while exercising and training, I close my eyes to see that picture, to see that list with my name. This easily motivates me to work again. Lauren Taylor, British former competitive driver who won medal at all major international events, including a silver at the Athens Olympics, runs mind moving to his victorious. Steve McDermott, a famous European motivational speaker, a fellow of the Professional Speaker Association and founder of the Confident Club, but put an equation to the secret of successful people, which is I multiplied B is equal to R. In full words, this equation means imagination. X means vividness is equal to reality. He stresses that the main secret of this equation is the X symbol that he referred to as a repetition. In his theory, when we imagine our future success repetitively with vividness, then we turn our dream into a reality. McDermott said that while this formula could work very well to our advantage, he warns that it could also lead to failure when used on negativity. He explains that failure is a result of vividly imagined things going wrong in full technicolor with the quadraphonic sound over and over and over again. He stressed that we could get in life that we focus on. So beware that it is entirely up to you whether you use this special gift to generate good or bad result, he added. Hollywood actor Jim Carrey attributes his success and fortune to the law of attraction. Experiencing a struggle in his career as an actor, he decided to write himself a check for $30 million, hoping that he would earn this through his acting career. And you know what? He did. He did achieve this, his heart's desire. But visioning goes beyond positive thinking. It is also about discerning what needs to be focused on. At this point, we need to do a quick recap on what we have learned till now. We started with the manifestation of our success journey. Next, we understand the importance of having the right success mindset. Then we discuss how important the skill of listening is. In our previous episode, is studying with an example as the pre-step for a visualization. Visualization without discerning is a no-go. To have discernment is to possess that ability to judge well. Discernment means moral perception, insights, and practical application of knowledge. In his article, How to See Clearly, What Do You Want to Accomplish, Jason Womack talked about the electronic term signal-to-noise ratio, which he applied to productivity and work performance. He explains that focus is what gets the work done. We must have the ability to recognize whether you are focusing on signal or noise. Womack referred to signal as those which helps you reach your goal, while noise as those which distracts you from it. To him, entrepreneurs must exercise this daily if they want to achieve success. When the mind is clear about what needs to be accomplished, then crisis remains to be a temporary situation to solve and should not detail a good worker from his goal. When you choose to visualize, you move closer to achieving the goal, said Womack. To him, visualization must be detailed projection of yourself in a future event or a job. How can you bring your vision into reality? One of the inspirational stories that come to my mind is that endowed Camprad, founder of IKEA, and whose vision was to build a furniture company that will serve the need of everybody, including people with a little money. To Camprad, why are beautiful products only made for a few buyers, when he truly believed that it is possible to offer good design and function at low prices? Success people uses the power of visualization. Their motto is to visualize and materialize from the imagination to a reality. By creating the right mindset with the best attitude and understanding the requirement of the others through listening, we can visualize anything. The only limit is your mind. Proper visualization result is thoughts that are focused, well-defined, and repeated. Visualization helps in correcting or changing your thoughts and mental image by changing your reality of what is in hand of reshape or word to dream big. Successful visualization is to have the end in mind. You should visualize the end goal and not the process. The vision to provide satisfaction to even those who have less may be drawn from the Camprad humble beginning. He grew up in a small farm called Almatrade near the village of Agnayard, a Swedish province of Småland, which during their childhood was beset by poverty. As early as six years old, Camprad had to make a living selling matches to the people in his town. But his enterprising mind led him to peddle any product needed, Christmas decors, fish, pencil, etc. In 1943, at the early age of 70, he put a name of his business and launched IKEA, which means Agua Camprad from Elmtard, Agunayad. By 1947, he made his step to turn IKEA into a furniture outlet. But many furniture manufacturers did not share this vision. They decided to boycott his company because he was selling the furniture at very low prices. Challenged by this, Camprad remained driven, and instead of giving up on his vision, he decided to design and produce his line of furniture. Right? So, being true to his dream, Camprad worked on a way on how his product can be better. Imagine genuinely designed tools through those that respond to the functionality, affordability, that which is environmental friendly and easy to access. It was IKEA that came up with the innovative flat pack ideas, the easy handling way to deliver furniture in a small packages that came with the easy to do it yourself instruction. Camprad credited his success not only to himself when he said today, IKEA is one of the most well-known home furnishing brand in the world, and if we include the many thousands employee buyer, supplier, around the million people are working with us to make our vision to create a better everyday life for the many people become a reality. Stephen Covey shows the practical implementation of the concept where action is the beginning, already have the outcome in the mind. This concept can help you get a clearer understanding of your destination. It means to know where you are going and what you better understand where you are now. This concept will also guide you so that the step to the action you plan further are always in the right direction. But how can you ensure to be an expert action taker? We will discuss more on this in our next podcast. Based on our vision, what legacy do you want to leave this world? What passion dares you to dream and to realize the goal that will make ripples or waves in your environment where you are in currently? Visualization is a step to success, but it is not just about harnessing positive thoughts. It is about focus and the discriminant on what to focus on. It is about a detailed mental image of yourself in that desired future, endowed with that feeling of strength. It is about a constant preoccupation which that you want to realize and fulfill. Visualization is everything. So my suggestion, start visualizing today. Thank you for listening and see you next time in our next manifestation series.